So there are many elements that you can use with the form, and one of the elements that we're going to discover or explore today is the field set. Okay, and it comes with the legend element as well. They're used together, and the best example would be assuming the best example to show you how this works is if I have some input and some labels on a form like this. Right now I want to group this in a group, then I can use a field set like that, and then over here I can also use the field set end tag, and that's going to put this very nice looking border around this form that we have, and that's what field set is. But sometimes what you have is that you don't have one field set or one grouping like this. You might have many or multiple groupings. For example, let me show you. If I copy this, right, and I paste it over here, then you can see that there's multiple groupings. So in this case, what you want to do is you want to use a legend as well, and we use the legend tag, which is nested inside of the field set tag. So I can do a legend right over there, and here I'm just gonna put sometimes you have in a form personal information or first group, I'm gonna say, or I know okay, let me just say personal information, personal info, and then the legend for the next field set would be additional information. Let's just put it that way, additional info. And then once I hit refresh, you can see that it puts this label on it, which looks very nice. So that's just the field set and the label attributes